Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna do a little gel polish demonstration with some new products that I received. So I'm using some stiletto shaped display nails and I have them on this little stand that I'm using. If you want to know where I got the stand, I will have that link down below. These gel pots are from Banggood and they're just really sheer colors that I'm going to use to put down a quick little wash of color. The nude base is from Glam and I think the color is called Delicacy. Anyways, it will be in the description box. If that's not the correct name, it will be down there. So I'm just putting down these colors because I intend to blend them together. I kind of am going for like a tie-dye watercolor look. So I'm using this brush that is specifically for blending gel polishes. Once that looks how I like, I'm gonna cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So these dried flowers are also from Banggood, the really big ones, and the smaller ones are from probably Banggood as well, but I'm not 100% sure about those. But anyways, I put down a layer of gel. Any clear gel will work for this. These flowers come pressed, so they're very flat, which makes them easy to work with. And I'm just decorating the nail with these flowers. They're kind of big, so I did have to cut them down to size. Once I have my flowers arranged how I like, I cure them into place. Here I have a glitter called Eden by Clawz, and I'm just going in with my no wipe top coat gel and I'm pressing my glitter into that. Here on the other nail, I'm just doing another ombre with these colors that I have. And it doesn't have to be perfect because the design is going to cover up most of this work. This is kind of just a background. Once again, I'm blending these colors together and then I will cure. After curing, the top of this gel is sticky, so I'm just going to use Fairyglitter to give it a shiny sparkle. Then I'll top coat that into place and cure once again. This mold I received from Bornprettystore and I find it super cute and fitting with my design, so I'm going to fill in all of these flower molds with this orange acrylic from Banggood. I'm using a small 3D nail art brush from alphabrush.com. Once those have set in the mold, I'm going to place them on the nail and I just put down a thin layer of gel so that they can sit in that. If I were putting this on an actual person, I would use clear acrylic to adhere them. gonna add a couple of stones and caviar beads around my flowers just to give it a little something extra. Then I'm gonna cure all of this into place. I do like how it looks matte, but I wanted to see how it looks shiny as well, so I did top coat the flowers. So I'm just taking a nail that I did paint yellow with the Banggood gel pot, and I'm putting on this huge pink flower, and then I'm just going to decorate around it with some gold little shapes and caviar beads.
Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down, don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
After I cured that into place, I'm just top coating around everything with my No Wipe Top Coat Gel. So this is how everything turned out. The other two nails are just simple ombres that I've done a million times on my channel, so I'm not going to bore you guys with that. But if you guys did enjoy the demonstration, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think of these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Fighting off the feeling.